Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys, and if you have problems with your alarm system, or also known as intrusion model, stay with us. We'll explain, guys, where to find the fuse for your alarm system and intrusion model. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this generation Dodge Dart and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys want to save even more money on car parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below. It's for your convenience. Let me open the hood now, guys, and I'm going to explain a few things to you. Okay, before we actually get to the fuse. You have three major fuse boxes in that car, and we will explain where they're located now. So the first, guys, fuse box is located under the hood, but it is not there, guys. Okay, the fuse is not there. As you can see, this is the fuse box, but there is no fuse for the alarm system here. So where is actually the fuse for the alarm system? So let me explain to you guys quick. We need to go inside the car. Okay, inside the car, and I will explain where that fuse is. So we'll need to get somebody to come hold me the wires, okay, on this side. As you can see, guys, okay, we have that cover removed right here under the steering wheel. Why? Because there is, guys, one fuse box for the BCM body control module, okay, that is located all the way back here. Okay, check it out now. This is it, guys. This is the fuse box. And the fuse, guys, that we need to check, okay, that's for the alarm system. If you go right here, guys, okay, the very first fuse on the very top, guys, this is 10 amp fuse. This is the one for the alarm system. This is, guys, the fuse. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, anything like that, guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, where you can buy a whole box for a super good price, and it comes with a free fuse puller. So I'll go ahead and pull it out. Okay, let me install it there and I'll show you guys. Okay, check it out now. You can kind of see where it is. Okay, right there. So I'll go ahead and just pull it out now. Okay, give me just a second. Okay. And I dropped it. But this is, guys, okay, the 10 amp fuse. Okay, right there. That's what it looks like. And all we have to do now, we have to go ahead and install the new one. How you do that? Okay, all we have to do, push it in. Okay, this is, guys, the fuse for the alarm system. That fuse on the very left side, top left. So we're already here, guys. This is the fuse for the alarm system, and also known as intrusion model. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.